Start here. Oh, thanks. Make me look bad here.
Yeah, cut around there. Don't cut the tendons. Work your way in.
You gonna take me the whole time? Because it's probably gonna be a while.
No, we're just looking. There's John, taking care of his little deer.
Hey, it's big around here.
I think it, not much left of that shoulder right there though. There's Mikey over here. There you go, buddy. Break it up. Stick it in there. Get your fire going. I don't think he's gonna break that one anymore. Alright, well I'm gonna go turn the other lights on, open the cabin. Turn the spotlight on for the deer. There we go. There's the kitchen. The living room. Dining room table. Kitchen sink. Master bedroom. Master bath. The shower. And the other end of the house, but I don't know where the lights are, so I ain't going there.